Let's science this. I'm on it.
Come discover the world around us.
We'll observe nature's wonders.
Using science and imagination, we'll experiment and build creations.
Darwin and Newts, having fun with trial and error. Darwin and Newts,
Bringing all their friends together. Find out how things work with Darwin and Newts.
Newts! Newts! I'm going to find you. Aha! Got you! Huh? Where are you, Newts? You are really good at hiding. Achoo! Oh! Found you! Good job, Newts. Kapai! Oh, thanks, Darwin. Let's play again. Okay, but my turn to hide. Sure, but I bet I will find you quickly.
I think you both need to learn some more about hiding first.
Whoa! Kia ora, Wapiti! You were there the whole time?
Some call me Wapiti, others call me the hiding master.
Wow! How do you do that?
I use the ancient art of camouflage.
Waterflash? Camouflage. Isn't that the way some animals hide so you can't see them?
That's right, Darwin.
Can you teach us this camouflage, hiding master? And then, can you play hide and seek with us?
First, have fun discovering what is camouflage in nature. And then, when you have learned how to really hide, the hiding master will seek you.
We'll do that, won't we, Darwin? Definitely. So where do we... We have to learn how to do that. Come on, Darwin. Kia! Hi, Henny. Hi. Kia ora. Kia ora. What are you up to? I'm looking for Kia. I have some apple for her, but she's hiding from me. Ooh. She's in the tree somewhere. I just can't see her. I might be able to see her with my binoculars. Wow. Aha! See there? Let me see. I can't see her. You have to look very closely. Her green feathers look just like leaves. Whoa! Ooh. Hey, Darwin! Kia used her colour to camouflage. Yes! Her feathers are the same colour as the leaves. Camouflage! Yes! We're observing camouflage. It's how some animals hide. You must learn about camouflage, and only then will the hiding master seek you. Hiding master? Wapiti is the master of hiding. He is amazing at hiding, and we want to learn how to hide from him. Do you want to help us? I'd love to. Hey, why don't we hide in your garden? Great idea, Henny. Let's go! Oh, look! Te Reo! I found something else that uses colour to hide. It's a praying mantis. It's hard to see because it has green wings, a green body, And it's on a green leaf. That is really cool. Hello, little guy. Maybe it's called a praying mantis.
Because it's praying we won't see it.
Let's keep playing! Whoa! This stick's alive! Come see!
Whoa!
That's because it's a stick insect.
It totally looks like a stick. Tall and thin.
I'm still hiding. Whoa! Look what I found hiding. It's camouflaged. Huh? My old green jandal. It's been hiding in the grass for ages.
Snack time! Here you go.
Yum! These apples are so juicy. Whoa!
It's Tawhito, the tuatara.
He has the best camouflage of all.
He's the same colour as the rock and the same shape.
Kia ora! Hello, Tawhito. We have a lot of great ideas on how to hide now. Do you think we're ready to hide from the hiding master? Let's science it! I could use colour, like the praying mantis, to hide from Wapiti.
And I could be like the stick insect and look tall and thin.
And Tawhito, the tuatara, has given me a great idea.
So, are you ready to hide from the master?
We sure are.
I'll count to 100, then I'll come looking.
I'm on it. Presenting my latest invention, my cool camouflage kit. Aha! You guys look great. Let's hide. Hurry, kia tere.
90, 91, 92, 100. Ready or not, here I come. Hello down there.
You found me.
Using colour to blend into the green grass. Good work. Ka pai, Darwin. No. No.
Whoa!
Using colour and changing your shape. Excellent, Henny. But you didn't quite fool the hiding master. This is getting hard.
Boo!
Ah! Well done, Newts. You used both colour and shape to camouflage yourself as a rock.
Yeah! Me huddle! Awesome! Camouflage is awesome, Wapiti!
It certainly is. And animals all over the world use it. Look, polar bears use their white colour to blend into the ice.
I see it!
Tigers use their stripy fur to blend into the long grass.
Wow! Where is it? Oh, there it is! Oh, Newts.
And scorpion fish use their body shape and colour to blend into the coral. Oh, where are you all? Are you children hiding again? Maybe I'm not the hiding master anymore.